Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from Botim to a bank account. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on all or menu options at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are there, tap on Send Money or Transfer at the top of your screen. Choose a bank account as the transfer option. Now enter the bank details. This usually include bank name, account holder name, account number or IBAN. Double check the information carefully. Mistakes can delay your transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you any fees and the estimated transfer time. Confirm the transfer. You may need to enter a PIN or verify with Face ID or Touch ID. After that, the transfer is submitted. The money usually arrives in 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. You can check the transaction status inside the wallet section. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Botim to bank account. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.